Hi and welcome back to MRTV. This is a video that I wanted to do a long time ago, but now I finally have the time to do it. This is a Quest Pro video. Wow! Finally, after a long time, I made a Quest Pro video here. So what is this about? Well, the Quest Pro, it is quite a good headset, I would say, but it has its shortcomings. And one of the shortcomings is the comfort. In the very first moments, you will feel like, wow, this is so comfortable, but then you'll find out, no, it hurts. It hurts here, right? Where most of the weight is putting pressure on your forehead. Now, what I got here is the following. The Quest Pro Ultimate Comfort Upgrade Kit from Tycotech. My man Tycotech. Hello, greetings to Tycotech. So, this is going to cost you 32 euros and 31 cents if you are in the Eurozone, and probably around the same in the US. And what does it do? Well, it completely replaces the part that is here on your forehead, which is too small in my opinion, with a much bigger one. Check this one out. This is now what's on your forehead, and it is bigger, it is softer, and it is made from cotton. So yeah, all things that you want in your VR life. So this is good. Also, it comes with this top strap here. So not only will it have less pressure here on your head, on your forehead, because you have this bigger area now, also there's weight taken from your forehead because now you finally have this top strap which holds the device. Oh, you see what happened here? This little thing here, I put it there because unfortunately the Quest Pro, it has some pop noise issues. Yeah, it's not a perfect device. Yeah, so looking forward to the Quest 3. Anyways, this here is truly a game changer in terms of comfort. So when I put this on now, it truly wears like a hat now. So I have really much less pressure here on the front, on my forehead. Very cool. It's absolutely worth the 32 euros and 31 cents if you're in the Eurozone. And probably how much is it going to be? Probably $30 or so in the US. Don't know. Let me know in the comment section how much you had to pay for this in the US. So yes, it's a big thumbs up, and it makes a huge difference for the comfort here of the Quest Pro. Nice. Very nice find. Very cool. So I'm going to put the link to Etsy down in the description of this video. It's not even an affiliate link. It's simply because I like this so much. Cool. Let me know. Or check this out. It has so many reviews. It has 1,767 reviews and 5 stars. Nice. Tycotech, man, you have an amazing business going here for yourself. Incredible. Happy for you. So this is the Quest Pro, the modded Quest Pro. Now I like it. Right? But still, I'm looking forward to the Quest 3. There's no question about it. Okay, that's it for this short video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Also, doing a Quest Pro video here. And if yes, give it a thumbs up. Do let me know in the comment section if you're using this mod already, or if you're using some other kind of comfort mod. Let us know in the comment section. How did you improve the comfort of the Quest Pro? And how do you like the Quest Pro overall? That would be nice to find out. Hit it in the comment section. It's also good for the algorithm. That is everything that I got for this video, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so yet. Thumbs up. And well, if you want to chat with me in the community about all these headsets, go to the MRTV Discord server. Link down in the description of this video. Until then, bye-bye.